Next question is from Satish Kumar. He's asking, I started my career in IT support. Now is it possible for me to move towards a development career? Satish, nothing is impossible if you are really interested in doing it. So if you want to move your career towards development, yes, of course it is possible. Let me give you a small 5-step roadmap. Step number 1, identify the programming language or framework which you want to learn for moving into development career. Let's say you choose .NET as a framework and .NET as a framework and C# as a programming language to move your career into software development. The second step would be to open Google and search for awesome technology. So as I have mentioned in contributing to open source answer also, that you have to search for awesome technology, like as I said in my the previous step, that for example you select C# as a language and .NET as a framework to move your career to software development. Then you search for awesome C# or awesome .NET on Google. So once you search that, you will get a curated GitHub list of all the courses, books and everything in one single repository. So choose any course or any plan from that awesome library and follow up that course. So as I said, the second step would be that search for awesome technology, that particular technology which you want to learn, and then follow a single course, any particular course on that from that awesome library you get. Follow the course and complete that course of whatever time it takes, be it 1 month, be it 6 months, whatever time it takes. Complete one course in that particular technology. The third step would be to create a GitHub account while learning the technology in which you want to move to software development. So create your GitHub account and post your practice programs or practice examples on those on that GitHub account. The fourth step would be, apart from posting your learning programs on GitHub account, join some community. So join the community of other people who are doing the same course, or join some influencer who is promoting that particular technology. Follow that influencer on Twitter or YouTube and join her community and discuss with them. Talk about your problems, what you are facing, or give suggestions to other people, because remember, there is always someone who is one step behind you. So give solution or give suggestions to people who are behind you, and ask for suggestions and solutions to people who are one step ahead of you. So follow some influencer or join some community and group and discuss your problems, learn from their problems and solve their problems if you can. Once you have done this, that is completed your course, created your GitHub profile, showcase your programs which you have learned on your course on your GitHub profile, then talk to your senior in your company who is handling a development team and ask him to join, ask him that is there any opportunity for you in his or her team. If there is an opportunity, you can probably use your internal channels to join that team. Otherwise, search for a new job in a different company, and of course you can move to a different companies by showcasing your resume with all these credentials that you have done this course, you have contributed to so and so open source library, or you have contributed to so and so project, or you have created so many online open source projects which you can showcase in your resume. So if you follow these steps given by me, I think it will be very easy for you to move your career from IT support to software development. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.